Welcome to my space broadcast. Did you know astronauts reported seeing twilight rays around lunar sunrise and sunset? Without a thick atmosphere, the surface of the moon doesn't have storms like we do. The moon is the Earth's natural satellite. The moon is a dusty ball of rock, measuring a quarter of the Earth. Florida will experience a pink moon 2019, April 12th. I know it sounds crazy, but yes, Florida will experience a pink moon. So if you want to see this wonder, go to Florida, April 12th, 2019. By measuring the ages of lunar rocks, we now know that the moon is at least 4.6 million years old, or the same age as Earth. Mercury is 35.98 million miles from the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Well, I guess Mercury is old because it has wrinkles. Venus is 64.24 billion miles from the Sun. The first spacecraft to visit Venus was the Mariner 2 in 1962. Venus is only a little bit smaller than the Earth, 80% of the Earth's mass and 95% of the Earth's diameter. Earth is 4.6 billion years old. Unlike other planets, Earth in English does not share any connections to any Roman name. Earth is 92.96 million miles from the Sun. Mars is the last of the terrestrial planets. Liquid water was found on Mars. That could mean there's alien life living on Mars, but probably not. Mars's nickname is the Red Planet, but some pictures of Mars from NASA actually aren't red. Mars is 141.6 miles from the Sun. You might notice the red dot on Jupiter. It's a circling hurricane-like storm that grows and shrinks. The mass of Jupiter is 318 times the mass of Earth. Now that's a lot. Here's a funny flaw. The first astronaut actually thought Saturn's rings were moons. Did you know Saturn is losing its rings? It could take up to 3 or more years to get to Saturn. Will anyone ever get to Saturn? Probably, but we don't know. Saturn has 7 ring groups that are made up of thousands of mini rings. Saturn's moon, Enceladus, could hold life. Uranus tilts 98 degrees. I wouldn't want to have a Uranus year because it's 84 Earth years. So most people only have one birthday, one Halloween, one holiday, one each holiday in their whole lifetime. Wow, we have 84. Difference. Uranus is the second most commonly known planet that has rings. versus Saturn, because like everyone knows Saturn has rings. Neptune was discovered September 24th, 1846. Neptune's kind of twin is Uranus. It looks similar, but only Uranus tilts a little more and has rings. That's really the only difference. And Neptune is a different planet and
Neptune
has
and Pluto
Earth-sized
swap
storm.
places every 248 years. Well, that's interesting.
Neptune is a ball of gas with a probably rocky core. Neptune is 2.793 billion miles from the sun. Yes, billion miles, not million. Neptune means the Roman god of sea. That's probably why Neptune is named Neptune, because it's blue, and Roman god of sea. Sea is blue, you got it right. A few seconds after the Big Bang, the universe would probably be a sea of particles that have been changed by negativity energy, more commonly known as electrons. One of the biggest questions we have is, will the universe go on expanding forever, or will it end in a big crunch? I know in school I was a bit religious and stuff, but did you know a priest discovered the Big Bang Theory? The universe before the Big Bang was a hot, tense place. Just very hot and tense. That's most universes are hot and tense, but some aren't. The end. I hope you liked it. It took me hours to create this.